I don't know. Focus में हूँ ही नहीं मैं. Bro. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to the show. We have Kafila in the house, a legend, a dear friend, a great poet, and we are having a heart-to-heart conversation today. A brother to brother, and we'll ask good questions to him. Let's just start. And my first question to my brother is, bro, are you proud of yourself?
Yes, I'm proud of myself, but sometimes I'm not. And that's completely fine.
Sometimes you're not proud of yourself.
No,
Why, bro?
everybody has a side जो मतलब प्राउड नहीं होते खुद पे शैडो डार्क साइड shameful
Hmm.
and it's not to be proud of. You just accept it. You have it since birth, since childhood, and you accept it. Negative thoughts, crazy ideas, and it just depends on the way you harness that uh, energy, basically.
How have you harnessed that energy, bro?
I haven't. I'm just in the process, but I've got the confirmation. Like, if you want to harness that power, that energy from that, that shadow self, it's quite good. Like it's not bad at all. You just have to make the use of it, just like all the other things in the world, all the bad things. You just accept those things, and that's it. And yeah, I'm proud of myself, and sometimes I'm not.
Talking about life, bro. Talking about life. You say that you faced a lot of things, a lot of good stuff and a lot of bad stuff, and it happens with everyone. But all of it had, it had made you strong in one way or the other, bro. It has made you what you are today. And what was the worst things that you faced, bro?
Worst thing a man, like human,
Hmm.
can face is उसके instincts को दबा दबाना. कोई मतलब जो like society or family or friends, he just wants to be accepted, and उसके instincts को दबाना जो वो है animus, उसको दबाना. And it's not a good thing. It just fucks you up in the long run.
Mm-hmm.
Accept who you are. You could be anybody.
Hmm.
Anybody. Accept yourself, and then move on. See where it leads you, and that's how you know. Otherwise, you would never know.
So basically, you're saying that a man needs to accept whatever he is.
Whatever he is.
But what if he's something others cannot accept?
Others cannot accept anything.
Hmm.
They cannot accept anything. Anything. They cannot accept anything new. They just want. उनको बस वही वर्जन चाहिए जो उनको पसंद है.
Hmm.
एंड उसमें वो फिल्टर करते करते बहुत कुछ चला जाता है. एंड इट्स नॉट वर्थ इट. इट्स नॉट वर्थ इट.
Hmm.
ट्रस्ट मी.
तो जो है भाई
जो है वो है.
वो है. कुछ नहीं कर सकना, कुछ नहीं करना. खुद को इम्प्रूव अगर करना हो.
That's what I'm saying. Accept yourself.
Hmm.
That's improving. And with time you आप ऐसे ऐसा एक स्टेज देखते हो कि जहाँ पे you realize yourself.
Hmm.
And self realization is the ultimate thing जो एक इंसान के साथ हो सकती है.
Hmm.
It's in science, it's in religions,
Hmm.
the knowledge of self. Eventually what good and what evil is.
Hmm.
You know what's good and what's bad. आप में कौन कौन से खराब चीज़ें, खराब क्वालिटीज़ है जो आपको तबाह कर रही हैं या औरों को नुकसान पहुंचा रही है. You know it. Then take control of it. But not like that. Otherwise you would have it appear in mind, and you would crave it. And that's not how things work. दबाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Let it come out, let it flow, and you will realize yourself. And when you know yourself, you know a lot of things. You know others. You know God. You know universe. You know everything once you know yourself, because self is everything. There's nothing outwards. It's just inwards. Everything is inwards. That's it.
So, talking about God and fighting the right ways, avoiding the evil and stuff, bro. Did you got deviated in your life? Were you messed up, man?
A lot. I was messed up a lot in mind, in life. Yes, I still am messed up, and I don't want to be okay. I want to be messed up. I want to wander. मुझे मतलब मैं मुसाफिर हूँ. This is not a permanent place to live in. Sooner or later मैं मर जाऊंगा किसी दिन. And what's the point of settling? Getting everything perfect. I love imperfection. I love chaos. I love disorder.
Why do you love it, man? What's so good in it?
I change every day. Like it's a cipher. It's a code. I change every day. आज जिस चीज़ में believe करता हूँ, कल सुबह उठूंगा and I'll say it's bullshit. Yesterday, कल का आज मुझे बहुत hype होगी कि कुछ नया देखा मैंने, आज कुछ नया समझा, but eventually it's not. Nothing is right. More answers lead to more questions, and that's how I like it to be. It's a thrill, man. It's a trip. When you look at it like that, it's a trip. You change every day, and that's you unlearn every day. You learn every day. You relearn, and it's a process, and it's a thrill. जो सेटल होना चाहते हैं, लाइक अपना एक कांस्टेंट फ्लो, एक इमेज बनाना चाहते हैं, they will never be able to achieve that. They will never be, because it's not about destination. Like your destination is, yes, I'm perfect now, but you're never perfect. लोगों को आप कुछ भी दिखा सकते हो, बट अंदर आप क्या हो वो आपको पता है, एंड यू नो इट. यू ऑलवेज नो इट. आपके गुनाह, आपके सवाब, यू नो एवरीथिंग. आपने क्या क्या किया, आप क्या क्या सोचते हो, nasty thoughts. You know everything. What you do in the night time, रात के अंधेरे में, दिन के उजाले में, you know everything. किसी को आप कुछ भी बोल सकते हो, दिखा सकते हो. You can fake it, but deep down you know. And I don't know how people are satisfied with faking, shit about themselves. I don't know how they get that inner satisfaction. When you know that what you do is, it's not right.
भाई हकीकत तो हकीकत है सच में.
Show me something authentic. Show me the authentic version of yourself. That's what I am about. That's what I write about. Authentic self. जो चीज़ जैसी है उसको वैसा ही पेश किया जाए. सादत हसन मंटो शायद उन्होंने ऐसा कहा था. बट बात में दम है. जो चीज़ जैसी है उसको वैसा ही पेश करो. Don't sugarcoat things for me. If it's truth, give it to me straight.
खोखलापन तो है भाई. There are people who are pretending to be someone who they are not. They find peace in compliments. For a while, they may like compliments. They may like whatever comments they get in. For what they are not, because especially on Instagram, on social media,
It's
people
bullshit.
are trying to be someone they are not.
Yes.
And खोखलापन है at the end. ये जो पूरी ये दुनिया में जो ये सब चीजें ये खोखला कर देती है इंसान को.
It's okay. For a time being, everybody loves a bit of, everybody fakes. थोड़ा सा अपने बारे में झूठ, थोड़ा सा अपने बारे में different persona, but eventually it's not good for the long run. क्योंकि जब वो it's not who you are. And when you know it's not who you are, it's a state of tension. It takes effort, it takes a lot of strength. फिर एक time पे you just have to let it go. You cannot do this forever. You cannot maintain that tension forever. Fucks you up here. What is depression? You're living somebody else's life. It's all spiritual in the end if you look at it. जो आप हो, दुनिया में इतने लोग हैं. कितनी है पॉपुलेशन दुनिया की? हर किसी की दुनिया, हर किसी का यूनिवर्स अलग है, हर किसी की सोच अलग है, हर किसी का खुदा अलग है.
Hmm.
सो आप एक यूनिक हो अंदर से, जो आप में अगर हम ईगो को हटाएं, इस बॉडी को हटाएं, लोअर सेल्फ अपने नफ्स को हटाएं, नीचे एक डिवाइन रूह है भाई, एक सोल है. एंड you have to, in this lifetime, according to me, I don't know, it's my theory, कि you have to, उसको आपको जानना है कि आप क्या हो. नाम हमें हमारा घर वाले देते हैं, काम हमें सोसाइटी देती है, बट हु आर यू? इट्स अ बेसिक क्वेश्चन. आप कौन हो? अपने बारे में आप क्या बताते हो लोगों को, बट इन रियल आप कौन हो? आर यू अ हिपोक्रेट?
Hmm.
आर यू अ लायर? डू यू हैव वाइल्ड फैंटेसीज? It's true, bro. It's a Sigmund Freud, it's Carl Jung, and it's like big names in the, forefathers of psychology. And it's a basic, and it's psychology. ये तो आज की बात है, बट जो रिलीजियस स्क्रिप्चर्स है, कोई भी रिलीजन उठा के देख लो, वही की बात कहते हैं. सूफीज एक ही बात कहते हैं, आपकी रूह, know yourself. When you know yourself, you become aware of everything. You don't have to look outwards to become aware. You don't have to watch news, television. Just look within. You will find something. You will know your dark side. When you know your dark side, you know other people's dark side. And that's how you tackle those negative energies, negative people. That's how you know कि ये बंदा authentic है कि नहीं है. जब आपको खुद पता होगा कि आप authentic हो कि नहीं हो. That's how it works, I guess.
So it's best to know yourself before knowing others.
That's the only way. You don't have to know others. क्योंकि फिर कुछ रहेगा नहीं ना. जब आप खुद से रूबरू हो जाएंगे एक बार, जब वो व्हील हट जाएगा, when you accept कि हाँ, this is who I am. When you find yourself. People go on vacations, long drives, camping to find themselves. I say sit in a dark room, sit in a corner and just look within.
What is your life? What is your life full of?
Roller coaster of, emotions. I'm an emotional man. And it's emotional. It's emotion. It's anger. For anger all the time, or chaos, or confusion, or emotional. Or sometimes I want to cry for no reason at all. Sometimes I have a reason, but I cannot cry. It's roller coaster. It's haywire up there, but I enjoy it. As I said earlier, it's beautiful. It's what boosts my joy, I guess. I like it. I was, I told you, I was maintaining an image about myself, and when I let that go, everything sab sulaj gaya. It's simple. It's not complex. Understanding yourself is not complex at all. Pain is pain, but it's what keeps you alive. It's what the essence of life is. This is what this world is about. It's pain, it's tragedy, and it's बहुत सारी tragedy में हम छोटे छोटे वो खुशी के मौके जो फिर बहुत अच्छे लगने लगते हैं, क्योंकि बहुत टाइम बाद आपको कोई खुशी मिली है, बहुत टाइम बाद कुछ सुलझा है, तो दैट्स, अगर हमेशा खुशी रहे तो खुशी की वैल्यू नहीं रहेगी ना भाई. It's all balance, it's yin and yang, it's black and white, it's good and evil, it's everything is in pairs, total polar opposites, north, south, east, west.
So are you a friend to yourself, bro?
Now I am, yes, I believe I am, but abhi bahut kaam baki hai. The more I think I know, the more I feel like I'm really far. And it's not about destination. I don't want to be perfect. I want to be imperfect.
Pain is beautiful. I get that. Life is full of chaos. It gets messy. Life में problems आती रहती है. But the main important thing is just to smile through all that bullshit, bro. Just to be strong through all that bullshit. You don't have to go onto your knees, and you don't have to, just give up, man.
Sometimes you do.
You have to give up.
Sometimes you give up, and that's the part of the process. Everything you do,
Hmm.
To overcome that feeling is part of the process, but you cannot overcome it. Nobody else can.
Hmm.
कोई भी नहीं, ना आपको ना आपकी कोई हेल्प कर सकता है उसमें. It's an individual feeling. It's very personal. It's very sacred. It's very private. You
Right.
give up one day, you
Hmm.
wake up next day, you do it, you do the same shit again.
So basically चीजें सही नहीं हो सकती है.
नहीं हो सकती और कभी होंगी भी नहीं. और अगर कोई ऐसा सोचता है कि मैं चीज़ें सही कर दूंगा तब तक मैं खुश नहीं रहूंगा, वो मुझे लगता है बेवकूफ़ है.
Don't ask me what's right. Ask me what's wrong.
Yes,
And I'm gonna tell you that's life.
exactly. That makes sense.
Yes, brother. Have you ever tried to, just get over your regrets, man? Everyone has regrets. Do you
Yes.
try to forget your regrets, or you just live with them, or you also take that as your?
I replay my regrets, my guilts every night in my head so that I could get used to them. And I don't feel that embarrassment anymore. That's how I cope up with it. I normalize this shit. I don't try to forget it because I will never forget it. It's always going to be there somewhere in my psyche, and it pinches. And I want to keep my conscience clear. So it happened. And I cannot do shit about it anymore. So I just replay them. I just normalize it. I visualize all those shameful, embarrassing moments of my life. And that's how it goes. I normalize it. And at a point where it doesn't even matter to me. It doesn't make me feel happy. It doesn't make me feel embarrassed anymore. So that's good technique, I guess.
Do you care about people, bro?
I care about my loved ones.
You care about your loved ones?
Yes, I care about my family. I care about some friends.
Do you push them? Do you push them away sometimes?
No.
You know?
I like my loved ones close, and it hurts me emotionally if they push me out sometimes.
Yeah.
ऐसा मेरा है कि if we fight, we stay together.
Yes, that's right, bro.
We always stay together. We stick together.
No, that's right, because you don't.
I don't like pushing people away at
yeah,
all.
yeah, that's important, bro. Because you don't need to. You don't have to.
But sometimes it's good. I have pushed a couple of people away from my life, and thank God I have pushed them away.
No, the thing is that don't push away the people who truly care about you.
Yes, that's the point.
Because one day when you push them away, and that may break their heart, and they won't ever come back, bro. So if you really love them, and if you truly care about them, you can just take your time and give space, but you don't need to push them away, bro. You cannot push them away.
You don't need to push them away, but you don't have to be attached to somebody to the point where it hurts you, like it takes your peace away if they left you, if they pushed you away. There's a difference. I don't like it, but it's okay if they do it. I might get hurt for a while, but that's fine. That's completely okay. क्योंकि हर किसी का हर किसी का अलग होता है, हर किसी की पर्सनैलिटी अलग होती है, हर किसी का कोप अप करने का तरीका अलग होता है. सो इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि सामने वाला इंसान भी वैसा फील करे जो जैसा आप कर रहे हो. सो इट्स ओके. यू जस्ट डू यू. वो अपना काम कर रहे हैं, यू जस्ट डू यू. आपको क्या करना है? यू वांट टू स्टिक अराउंड. यू वांट टू push off.
Talking about understanding yourself, the main theme which we
self, khudi,
existentialism.
Iqbal named it as khudi.
So can you describe it a bit, bro?
I don't know. I'm just a starter. I'm just a noob in this thing, but it has helped me a lot, like a ton. It's just you. I cannot prove that you don't exist. I can only just say that. I cannot even say that I exist. It's all illusionary. Everything is illusion. I don't feel like things are real anymore. I take it as it's a movie. It's a drama. It's tragedy. It's comedy. Life. So I just try to understand my role in it. And I guess for me that is khudi.
You don't need to care about what others thinks about you. You only need to care about what you think about yourself.
What do you think about yourself?
And if you truly think that you're a good person, Doesn't matter if someone calls you a bad person, because maybe that person is a bad person.
हर किसी का नज़रिया अलग अलग होता है भाई. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मैं किसी की लाइफ में मैं बहुत बड़ा विलन हो सकता हूँ.
Hmm.
किसी की लाइफ का मैं मतलब बहुत सही इंसान हो सकता हूँ, लेजेंड हो सकता हूँ, बट किसी की लाइफ का मैं विलन हो सकता हूँ, एंड दैट्स फाइन. आई डोंट वांट टू कंट्रोल इट. इट टेक्स द एसेंस अवे. थोड़ा तो बीटी बीटी चलता है.
मतलब इंसान, चलो इंसान है अपनी जगह, मगर इंसान को कुछ चीज़ें चाहिए होती है. इंसान को एक सक्सेस चाहिए होता है, इंसान को खुशी चाहिए होती है, इंसान को पैसा चाहिए, एक अच्छा पार्टनर चाहिए. So what about if you don't get what you want, and how do you feel about that when you don't get what you want, bro?
When you don't get what you want, at one point आदत लग जाती है फिर इन सब चीज़ों की, क्योंकि it just in the end, like when you see the whole picture, when you try to see the whole picture, or when things get revealed to you, I swear, bro, it's all worth it. It's every bit of it is worth it. Like sab sahi hai bhai. Don't control shit. Don't control other people's views about you. You cannot make somebody like you. You cannot make somebody hate you. And I have tried both. I have tried people. मैं एक टाइम पे चाहता था कि लोग मुझसे नफरत करें, दूर भागें. I wanted to be alone. I pushed people off. But कुछ लोग ऐसे थे जो रह गए. They didn't hate me for being an ass. And I tried कि कोई मुझसे मोहब्बत करे, लेकिन मोहब्बत नहीं हुई. It's strange paradox,
Hey, I read it somewhere that there are only two tragedies in this world. There are only two tragedies in this world. One is not getting what you love, and the other is getting what you love. Do you get that, bro?
I think there's only one tragedy in this world. Not knowing yourself before you die.
That's the
Like
biggest
really?
tragedy.
Yes. क्योंकि आपका फिर लाइफ ज़ाया हो गई ना. आप पैदा क्यों होते हो? अब like philosophers, हज़ारों किताबें, लाखों किताबें इस टॉपिक पे लिखी गई है कि व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ. क्या है पर्पस लाइफ का? सेम तो नहीं हो सकता. डू यू थिंक सेम हो सकता है? सबका पर्पस सेम हो सकता है? सबका पर्पस सेम है. नोइंग योर क्रिएटर, जो भी है वो. नोइंग योर क्रिएटर.
How can one know your creator? How can one
by
know his
knowing
creator?
yourself.
By knowing yourself.
By knowing yourself.
And how do you know yourself?
Don't read any books. It will just it tells your mind. Just know yourself. Find your, like, if you have a bad side, there must be a good side as well, because it's not who you are. It's not a whole. Like we think a person completes us, और अगर मुझे ये मिल गया लाइफ में तो ये मुझे कंप्लीट कर देगा. बट जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट व्हेन यू गो होम, व्हेन यू स्लीप, कि भाई तूने अभी तक क्या क्या चाहा था, और सब नहीं मिला होगा, बट कुछ तो मिला होगा, कुछ तो मिला होगा. तो क्या कंप्लीट हो गया तू? इट्स अ नेवर एंडिंग प्रोसेस. इट्स अ लूप. इट नेवर सेटिस्फाइज यू. व्हाट सेटिस्फाइज यू कि मैं कौन हूँ अंदर से, ईगो हटा के, फॉलोअर्स हटा के, इंस्टाग्राम की दुनिया हटा के, दोस्तों को हटा के, जो इमेज दोस्तों ने बनाई है उस इमेज को हटा के, लाइक जस्ट shred yourself to the pieces and see what comes out. That's who you are.
इसी बात में मुझे याद आया कैंड्रिक का कोट है एक.
Love Kendrick. Big fan.
Yeah, Kendrick ने कहा कि look inside of my soul, and you can find gold and maybe get rich. Look inside of your soul, and you can find out it never exists.
That's brilliant. And बस ये Kendrick अभी बोल रहा है, बट जो जिनको भी हम कोट करते हैं ना, लाइक ज़्यादा इकबाल, रूमी, शम्स तबरेज़ी, और other philosophers or poets.
Hmm.
They have said the same thing, directly, indirectly. Self. That's how you do जो आपको इस दुनिया में
Hmm.
जिस चीज के लिए आपको इस दुनिया में भेजा गया था.
Hmm.
नो योरसेल्फ. आपको पता चल गया कि क्या है, आप वो काम करने लगो.
What
Not
about
a-
broken people, bro? What about broken people? Do you
Broken-
like to be broken?
Yes. जब तक आप
टूट नहीं जाओ.
टूट नहीं जाते ना, तब तक आपको मेंड नहीं कर सकता कोई ना. मतलब जो चीज टूटी नहीं उसको क्या ठीक करोगे आप.
Hmm.
आप टूटोगे तभी तो ठीक हो पाओगे, और ऐसे ठीक हो पाओगे कि जैसे कभी टूटे नहीं थे.
लोग टूटे होते हैं जिनका दिल टूटा होता है, या उनकी लाइफ में कोई भी ट्रेजेडी आई, मतलब हर किसी का दिल टूटता है. बट जो इंसान अंधेरे में रहा होता है, जो इंसान अंधेरे में रहा होता है, गम के अंधेरे में, तन्हाई के अंधेरे में, परेशानियों के अंधेरे में, और जब वो उन परेशानियों से निकलते है और वो सच में लाइट देखता है, एक अच्छे इंसान से मिलता है, या उसको वापस होप मिलती है, that broken person, he loves harder than the most, bro. Than the most. And broken people know how it feels to be broken, bro. They know how it feels all alone in that cave, bro.
Yes, that's
And
true.
everyone goes into that cave. Everyone has their downfalls, and they go into that cave. What matters is, did that person come out of it, and did that person know himself while he was all alone in that cave? Did he truly understood himself? तभी तन्हाई में तो खुद ही को समझते हैं.
Exactly. You need to be alone. It's a solo process. There are no collabs.
वो जो पुश मिलता है, खुद को जानने का पुश, वो ट्रेजेडी से ही मिलता है. अगर इंसान नॉर्मल लाइफ जी रहा होगा, 9 to 5 वाली लाइफ जी रहा होगा, और कोई मसले नहीं, कोई पंगे नहीं, कोई धोखे नहीं, सब स्मूथ जा रहा है, नहीं, वो पुश नहीं मिलेगा उसको.
Exactly. It teaches you a lot in life.
Heartbreaks, failures, loss of a loved one, bankruptcy, गुर्बत, भाई हर किसी की तरह की जो भी मुसीबत आती है, वो एक तरह से वो पुश ही है.
That's the answer of your question in the beginning.
Yeah, bro. Pain is beautiful.
Pain teaches you. Pain makes you, or it breaks you. If you're weak, it breaks you. If you're strong, आपकी खुद ही बहुत strong है, आपको पता है कि क्या सीन है. It will never break you. It will make you.
अब आई बात हिप हॉप की. What is hip hop to you, bro?
Hip hop is poetry to me. Hip hop is a medium through which I tell my stories. MC Cash.
MC Cash is your idol.
MC Cash is not my idol.
Then?
I am my idol, bro. MC Cash, I just quoted it like hip hop क्या है. तो एक गाने में एक ट्रैक है, उसमें MC Cash बोल रहा है कि hip hop is a medium through which I tell my stories, through which we tell our stories, and that's hip hop. Hip hop is storytelling for me. I don't know any other hip hop. I don't listen to any other hip hop. I just listen to stories which inspire, motivate.
Can you quote
thought-provoking shit? That's the hip hop I listen to. Dark hip hop.
Dark hip hop. Oh, who has produced one of the finest dark hip hop songs, bro?
I don't know.
Your personal favorite?
Kendrick Lamar all time.
Which one?
Immortal Technique, Dance with the Devil, the darkest hip hop track, and which inspired me. Like this is उससे पहले मैं like जब पहले स्टार्ट में हिप हॉप सुना ना भाई, तो I was not a popular kid, okay, in school. I was not good. I was above average kid, curious kid, overly curious. बच्चा जो होता है, सवाल बात पे वो ये. तो जब हिप हॉप की एंट्री हुई जिंदगी में, तो उस टाइम अच्छा लगता था एक रैपर को देखना, क्योंकि ऑल दैट पिज़ाज़ एंड लाइफस्टाइल, चेंज, लड़कियां, गाड़ियां.
लिखना, मगर लिखने की बात जब आती है,
लिखने की बात मुझे तब समझ में आई जब मैंने इमॉर्टल टेक्निक का डांस विद द डेविल सुना.
नहीं, इमॉर्टल टेक्निक इज द लेजेंड. ही इज वन ऑफ माय
मैंने देखा कि
favorites too.
ये कुछ और है, ये कुछ चेंज हो गया मुझ में. इसने तो कुछ बात डाल दी दिमाग में. Tupac is great, but no. Biggie, no. It's good, learning craft, rhyme schemes, and all that flow and stuff. But Immortal Technique, Vinny Paz.
Immortal Technique really touched me when I read this. When I was a child, the devil himself brought me the mic, but I refused
Mm-hmm.
because God sent me to strike.
Crazy.
Or just quote some of the finest verses you have in your head.
I just have one line जो मैंने लिखी है खुद. मैं मुझे भाई ज़्यादा नहीं पता कुछ. मैंने ज़्यादा शायरी नहीं पढ़ी है. मैंने किताबें नहीं पढ़ी.
वो रैप वर्सेस तो पढ़ी है ना, सुनी है?
नहीं सुनी है बट मुझे याद नहीं रहता. इट जस्ट गिव्स मी द बिगर पिक्चर, लाइक इसका मतलब क्या था मुझे वो समझ आता है. थॉट प्रोसेस.
तो थॉट प्रोसेस सबसे फाइनेस्ट किस गाने के थे?
अपनी लाइन मैंने लिखी है. वी ऑल आर द पार्ट ऑफ द सेम काफिला. वी आर द सेम एवरीबॉडी. कोई छोटा कोई बड़ा नहीं है. कोई अच्छा और कोई बुरा नहीं है. कोई पीर नहीं है, कोई शैतान नहीं है. यू नो, हर किसी पीर में शैतान का एक पार्ट. दैट्स व्हाट मेक्स यू होल. यू नो, it's never good, just good. कोई मतलब it's sometimes you see a person, you look at him and you say क्या बंदा है भाई, ये तो अल्लाह की गाय है, ये तो प्रॉपर है भाई, यही मुझे बनना है. Just know something is wrong. and उस बंदे का अपना डार्क साइड है. जब कोई खराब बंदा देखते हैं, कोई इविल बंदा है कि ये नहीं बनना, इस जैसा नहीं बनना, उस बंदे में डोरमेंट है एक इक्वली पावरफुल अच्छा साइड. That's why we never give up on, hate the sin but not the sinners. That's what we are. हम एक ही क्राउड का हिस्सा है, हम एक ही भीड़ का हिस्सा है सब. और हम चल रहे हैं कहीं एक ही मंजिल की ओर.
काफिला एक ही है और हमारे काफिला भाई. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much for
Means a
having me
lot.
here.
Have a great life.
Thank you.
Kill
You
it.
too, bro.
Make great music. Make us
Thank you,
proud,
bro.
bro.
Thank you.
I know you'll kill it. Ladies and gentlemen, Kafila, finest rappers in the scene. Khuda Hafiz.
Bye. बस है बिला.
Bila. यार वो घंटा वो कर दवा pause यार. Space.